All right, now let's have a look at the tree map. Tree map essentially shows a hierarchy based on a particular category and a matrix. So we are looking at sum of unit price on a hierarchy, and it shows you where the concentration is high and where the concentration is low by changing the colors and the size. And it also shows you the maximum and minimum. So this is tree map. Let's also look at the heat map. Let's close this out and let's now go to probably orders table and let's have a look at it now. So let's not look at by employee, let's look at by country. All right. So it says that for USA probably and Germany, it shows max. So what is max? The average of freight amount is the maximum from the federal shipping, right? So this is a good way to have a look at the entire data set and where the concentration of a particular metric is very high and where it is very minimum, right? So this is minimum, this is pretty average, and this is maximum. So this is what a heat map does. And also let's look at the KPI chart and let's change some properties of the KPI that we have just created. Let's remove this, and it basically shows in tiles the metric based on certain column values, right? So it shows you this one. Let's change the settings and let's not change this by this one, but let's say if I want to see this one. So it shows you discontinued, false and true, and it shows you the different unit prices based on that. So you can choose any metric, you can choose any category, and you can add different KPIs. You can keep adding multiple KPIs. You can remove KPIs. You can change the value axis and tile by. You can also have a comparative value, right? So let's say you are doing a sum of unit price, and let's say you also want to do quantity per unit, right? So this would essentially show you that 62 unit is the quantity per unit for which this is the sum of unit price, right? So pretty handy information in tiles, and you can change the color of the tiles, you can make it unique colors, you can make it gradient colors, you can do all that jazz, you can do all that formatting in the world, and it would look pretty neat. I usually use tiles a lot, and it gives a pretty great look and feel to my dashboard.